Today's idiom is people came out of the woodwork. It means many unexpected, previously unnoticed individuals suddenly appeared. Origin, insects or pests emerging from hidden wooden cracks. This idiom describes people surfacing from obscurity, often in large numbers, with a surprising or sometimes negative connotation. Let's see how we use it. In When the Scandal Broke, critics came out of the woodwork to share opinions. Previously silent critics suddenly became vocal. In After We Announced the Project, collaborators came out of the woodwork from every department. Unexpected partners appeared. Both illustrate the sudden, often surprising emergence of people.
Similar expressions: to come out of nowhere, to crawl out from under a rock. Came out of the woodwork is often critical, suggesting previously uninvolved, opportunistic individuals suddenly appearing.
To recap, people came out of the woodwork means many unexpected, unnoticed individuals suddenly appeared. Origin, things emerging from hidden places. It's perfect for describing a surprising influx of people, like critics or collaborators, previously unseen. Use this idiom to vividly describe people appearing unexpectedly. I'll see you next time with another great expression.